Check out the moon. It is the perfect night. Hey, Raven, say hi. Good girl. My flash on? Flash is on. Oops. Hey, Rick. You just missed some really good zoomies. Ecom Gill. Thanks for stopping by. Say hi, Raven. Let's go say hi to Moose. Moose, what are you doing? Say hi, buddy. All those tree frogs are up in this maple tree. Let me see. It's a big tree. Want to do a close-up, buddy? It's not much more. They have really similar markings. He's just a different color. You have more of a mask? Oh, he's gonna pounce. Maybe it's time to play a little more. You might be right. Maybe a little bit. Hey. Hey, what are you doing with Raven's tail? Hey, I don't think Raven likes that. You chewing on your sister's tail? Huh, do dogs like wheatgrass? I mean, my dogs chew on the regular grass, but they probably shouldn't all that much. Yeah. That video I posted earlier, he was chasing her around the kitchen table, holding onto her tail. She lets him know when she's had enough. She'll beat up on you, Moose.